When the rule requiring of the LMP2 class of Le Mans to adopt mass-produced production engines was announced, Nissan Motor Company and NISMO called upon their powerful yet reliable naturally aspirated 4.5-liter V8 powerplant, the VK45DE. The VK45DE was a proven veteran, as it powered GTRs in the Super GT series, but for the 24-hour of Le Mans, the engine needed a lot of additional tuning, including a new ECU and custom intake exhaust materials. The engine also needed to be moved from the front of the car to behind the cockpit. None of these modifications proved to be a problem, as the team using the VK45DE achieved great results in the engine's first year of competition. At the 24 Hours LF Le Mans race, it achieved a 1-2 finish in its class in its first year of participation. With its success right out of the gates, more teams expressed their desire to use the VK45DE. In the 24 Hours of Le Mans, cars equipped with the VK45DE scored the second and fourth place finish, while in 2013, they took up the top 5 places of the LMP2 class. The No. 42 Zytek Z11SN Nissan was a car of note for both Nissan and Gran Turismo because GT Academy graduates Lucas Ordóñez and Jann Mardenborough were 2 of the 3 drivers. They were joined by seasoned veteran Michael Krumm. The number 42 car was the fastest out of the Zytek entries, achieving 4th in class. The 3 drivers raised their position steadily from their starting position of 12th, and maintained a firm grasp on 3rd place for most of the race.